Hey everybody, it's Nick with Ironclad Ranks back with another video. Today I want to talk about schema markup. Seems really complicated. It's not easy to put together if you don't know what you're doing. But everybody says it's super important for local businesses, and it actually is. It tells Google and search engines about your site in a very quick and easy to understand format for them. And I'm going to tell you some of the things you absolutely have to do. This video is for service area businesses. If you are a business with a physical location, like a restaurant or a store of some kind, it's going to be slightly different than what I'm showing in this video, but the concept is going to be the same. So right here, if you right click anywhere on the home page of your website or your client's website, click on View Page Source. This is going to take you to a page that has a lot of code on it. Okay. And we are going to hold Control F if you're on a Windows computer or Command F if you are on a Mac. And in the search bar, you're going to search for schema. Okay. In this case, it is on the website. It's showing up. So right here, if I go through to the last one right here, this is going to show exactly what the schema looks like. Okay. It's going to have the type of business, local business. It's going to have the name of the business, description. This is the description I took from the Google Business Profile, when it was founded, the telephone, the URL. And also, this is something that's very important, same as. So you're telling Google, yes, I am the same as this Yelp listing. I am the same company as this Facebook page. This is my Google Business Profile. We're the same as that. Okay. This adds some authority, and it's just another way of reinforcing to Google what you do. So here, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over to a schema validator. Okay. And we are going to pull this up, and I'm back on video. All right. So I'm going to paste this in right here, and I'm going to run the test. And you can see everything works perfectly. Okay. So what's important about having all of this information, right? We want to tell Google that we're a local business, not just a random website. Okay. The name of the business, the description. We want the phone number to match. Remember, name, address, phone number. It's super important. Since we're a service area business and don't have a physical address, we need to list areas served. Again, this is in the format that schema.org has codified as what is the standard. So as long as we put it in this format, Google can see city, area served, city, Irvine, California, Orange, California, Fullerton, California. Okay. And I have same as a Wikidata entry for that location. So if I go in here, this should pull up Fullerton. Okay. Boom. So very easy for Google to say, okay, this is exactly what they mean. This is exactly the area that they claim to serve. Okay. They're not claiming Fullerton in, Florida. They're claiming Fullerton, California. Here is the Wikidata entry for that page or for that city. Okay. More areas served. And I also have the open hours specification. Okay. Days, opens and closes, offer catalog, services offered. Okay. What services does this business offer? Window cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, solar panel maintenance. Remember, these are exactly the same as they are listed in the Google Business Profile. If I pull up the Google Business Profile for this business, it'll show the exact same terminology, exact same phrasing for window cleaning service. Okay. I didn't say professional window cleaning. It is window cleaning service because that is going to tie back to the Google Business Profile. Okay. How can you get this structured? You could put all of your information into ChatGPT and have it spit out schema. The other thing you can do is go to localrank.so/tools, and they have a schema generator right here. So this is FAQ. FAQ is great. Local business schema generator. Okay. You're going to put your business information in right here, and that is going to output some at least robust business schema for you. It may not have all of your service areas and all the same as, but if you really want to go into full detail on that and really get as granular as possible, then that's something you could take that schema and enhance it using a ChatGPT, a Claude, a Grok, something like that. Okay. Now, once we have this schema, where are we going to put it? You could put it in the WordPress files. Okay. The way I did it is, since I'm using Elementor, it's pretty easy to just come into Elementor. I'm going to create a section up at the top. Okay. And you can see I already have one right here, but I created a section right at the top, just HTML code. And in the content, I copied the entire schema in here. And that is what you see when I view page source and inspect the code. So I hope this video helped. This is something that has a massive impact on your ranking ability and showing up for relevant searches. So I highly recommend implementing it today. And as always, very happy to answer questions in the comments or shoot me a message.